Good morning, Miss Germain again. This video is going to be about handwriting. I'm coming to you in pajamas. My coffee is still brewing. I wanted to get this video out early, and I have one more coming shortly. I was going to say that I was going to try and get through this whole video without saying and I already did it. My kids are playing in the playroom. We'll see how that goes. You will likely hear them. Okay, handwriting is really accessible. It's one that I wanted to do right away because every single child needs to practice handwriting, even outside of this 4 to 7 bracket that I'm talking a whole lot about. All of my kids, pre-K, first grader, third grader, are all going to be working on handwriting over the next several weeks. One of to start, pencil grip really matters. So I have a pencil to show you. The curriculum that we use at school with handwriting is called Handwriting Without Tears. They have a 90-day free trial, and I'm going to link that in the notes, in the video notes. So pencil grip matters. For Handwriting Without Tears, they give you 2 alternate pencil grips. The first one is you hold the pencil with your thumb and pointer, and it rests on your middle finger. That's the hold they want you to do. The alternate pencil grip, which is actually the pencil grip I use, is that you hold your pencil with your thumb, pointer, and your middle finger, and it rests on your ring finger. This is the alternate pencil grip that they say is okay. They prefer you to use this one. It really matters how your kid holds a pencil. So I would say look at videos online. For lefties, it's the same. It's just opposite. So look at videos online. Look at different, literally Google search pencil grip. Look at how your kid is doing. Some kids are do it really well. Some kids have to be reminded. I have it with me. I have my favorite pencil grip. Oh, nope, this one isn't my favorite, but this works. You can get pencil grips all over that help you get your finger in the correct places. So you can order them on Amazon. I don't know if Amazon is going to be shipping them out right now, but you can order them on Amazon. The curriculum that we use at school is Handwriting Without Tears. I really love handwriting. I really love that handwriting curriculum, but you can find handwriting practice sheets all over the internet. I'm linking one of my favorite ones below. It's by Babbling Abby. It's through Teacher Pay Teacher. I think you'll have to log in, but you can say homeschool, and that'll be perfectly fine. Okay, so when you're practicing handwriting, pencil grip matters. Number 2, the second thing I do when I'm practicing handwriting is you have to remember everything is top to bottom and left to right, just like reading. Every letter is formed top to bottom, left to right. Never, ever do we start at the bottom and draw a line to the top. Never, ever do we start at the right and go to the left. It is always top to bottom, left to right. One thing that I do when I'm practicing handwriting is I have the kids use their whole arm. I'm kind of close to the camera for this. Whole arm to make the letter correctly. So I'll have them do a point, and I'll say, okay, lowercase a, and they have to make the lowercase a correctly with their whole arm. It helps. It just helps. It helps engage their gross motor. It helps engage their whole body, and it just really helps them be able to remember how to do it when they get to their table in the correct formation. Okay, pencil grips, examples, Babbling Abby. I'm linking a Jack Hartman video down below. It's a cute little video about forming the lowercase letters, and the links that I have below are definitely worth your time. One way that I make handwriting kind of fun is I let them do rainbow writing, which means they can do a purple marker, and then a blue marker, and then a red, and then a green marker, so they can do the letters different colors. It's totally fine as long as they're holding it correctly, as long as they're forming the letters correctly. Utilize whatever tools you have at home. Kids love to use pens or crayons to do handwriting practice, or all different colors, or highlighters, anything that's fancy and seems a little bit off limit to them. They are game, and whatever works for getting them to practice their handwriting is totally fine and will work just fine. You're not gonna mess it up. That's why I gave you the big things. Pencil grip matters. Top to bottom, left to right. try and engage their whole body if you can, and just practice, practice, practice. Even kids who are really like far ahead curriculum wise still need to practice handwriting. It is muscle memory, it is a learned skill, and it's something that just takes time and energy and practice. Last bit, if your kid is still flipping letters and they are in kindergarten, that is okay. Just say, hey, it's backwards, flip it. Not a big deal. I'm not worried about that at all. It's a question that I get every single year. So I hope this one was helpful. I can't wait to do my next one and get that up for you guys shortly. Let me know if you have any requests. I've got a running list of ones that I'm going to put up. The best way to get the videos is to subscribe.